they give you in terms of sine and cos, then what will you do? Convert this tan y sin y cos y, tan x sin x upon cos x, right? And sec x 1 upon cos x. Then you can solve it that way also. Depends on what options are given to you. So this is the final answer. The distance is AC is 2h sec x upon tan y minus tan x. Next, two stations due south of a leaning tower which leans towards north are at a distances A and B from its foot. If x and y are the angles of elevations of the top of the tower from these stations, then its inclination theta to the horizontal is given by cot theta equals to. First understand the problem. The words are confusing. See here. This is a tower. This is leaning tower, right? Like you see in that pizza, right? Leaning tower. Now this is leaning towards north. So south will be on the other side. So what is there? Two stations due south means they are on the opposite side of the leaning, right? So they are over here. Point number 1 and point number 2. Now they are at a distances A and B. Let this be A and let this be B. If x and y are the angles, means these x, the point which is at A has an angle x, the point which is at B has an angle y. Remember, important part is this is leaning towards north and these are towards the opposite side. Okay. Now once you understand this, then the problem becomes easier. So A, B, that is given, x is given, y is given. This height h, let's assume this height as h and let this distance be p, small p. Okay. So let's we have to find cot theta. Okay, this theta, cot theta. Okay, and this is the theta. Theta is of the leaning tower. This angle is of the leaning tower. Okay, so cot theta we have to find out. Tan theta equals to what? H upon p. H upon p. Okay, so p equals to what? H upon tan theta. That is h cot theta. Right? That much is clear. Point number 1. Then tan x equals to what? This is tan x. What is that? H upon a plus p, right? This is small a and this is p, right? Therefore a plus p equals to h upon tan x. Okay, so therefore a plus p. Now what is p now? So h cot theta. Therefore a plus h cot theta, this one, equals to h upon tan x. So make it cot x. So a equals to h cot x minus h cot theta, right? This much is clear. A. Now about y. Tan y equals to, see here, tan y equals. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.